Is stress taking the driver's seat in your life, steering you towards a bumpy ride filled with anxiety and tension? What if there were ways to regain control and find balance? The first strategy to consider is staying active. Regular physical activity acts as a natural stress reliever, releasing endorphins, those feel-good neurotransmitters that help to clear your mind and reduce the emotional intensity of stress. Secondly, take control. When stress strikes, it's easy to fall into a trap of helplessness. But remember, you have the power to change the course. Focus on finding solutions that work for you, and suddenly that mountain of stress starts to resemble a molehill. Thirdly, connect with people. A strong network of friends, family, and colleagues can provide a safety net when stress levels soar. Sharing experiences, venting frustrations, and seeking advice can help lighten the load. Fourth, prioritize me time. Amidst the hustle and bustle, it's vital to carve out time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. It's not selfish, it's necessary self-care. The fifth strategy is to challenge yourself. Setting and achieving goals can boost your confidence and resilience, giving you the strength to weather the storm of stress. Sixth, avoid unhealthy habits. It may be tempting to drown your stress in a bottle or rely on caffeine to power through, but these are temporary fixes that often exacerbate stress in the long run. Seventh, help others. Acts of kindness and altruism can provide a sense of purpose and boost your well-being. It's a win-win situation, reducing stress for both the giver and receiver. Eighth, work smarter, not harder. Prioritize tasks and focus on what truly matters. Trying to do everything at once is a surefire recipe for stress. Remember, perfection is not the goal, efficiency is. Ninth, cultivate positivity. A daily gratitude practice can shift your perspective, helping you to see the glass as half full rather than half empty. Remember, positivity is a muscle that grows stronger with practice. And finally, acceptance. Some things in life are simply beyond our control. Instead of wasting energy on these, focus on what you can change. Acceptance isn't about giving up. It's about redirecting your energy towards actionable steps. Embrace these 10 stress-busting strategies to make stress a passenger rather than the driver in your life. Resilience isn't about avoiding stress, but about navigating through it with grace. As you incorporate these strategies into your daily routine, you'll find yourself better equipped to handle life's challenges, steering yourself towards a more balanced and fulfilling journey.